Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So I have a couple PEX lines coming down here. This is going to be for a kitchen. Well, I thought they were going to box this out, this area here, and then these lines would have been clipped to the studs, but they drywalled in behind it. So here we have what we call a talon here, also known as, I guess, a water pipe clip. Whether it's PEX or copper, this is what you're going to use. Now, the thing about these clips are, with the nails, you only have a 1/2 inch for the nail. So these are not designed to go into drywall, they're designed to go into wood. So I'm going to nail this on and we'll see how it pulls out, which means the nail did not go into anything. So this is how you fix this problem. This here is a 2 1/4 nail. Why is this specifically 2 1/4? Because the diameter of the nail fits the hole. So we have the hole for the clip right there, and the nail slides in and out very nicely, just like that. So when you are going to clip water pipe lines through drywall, you're going to have to hop up to a bigger nail. Otherwise, your clips are not going to actually mount to anything. And now we have a nice solid clip. So whether this is 1/2 inch or 3/4, it will be the same thing. But guys, be aware that if you are going to clip to drywall, it's not actually going into anything. It's just going to go into drywall that has no actual structural support. Alright, so we have our clips. You see they're solid. Our clips, they're solid. Up there, they are solid. So I thought they were going to box this out, but apparently the cabinetry is going to cover all of this stuff, so that's perfectly fine. But guys, when it comes to taloned water pipe clips, if you're going through drywall, the nails are going to be too short, so make sure you go up to a 2 1/4 nail. I would say it's not really so much the length of the nail, but make sure that it's going to fit into the hole of the clip fairly well, so you don't damage the clip, or it doesn't become damaged over time with use. Because remember, as you're using things, these lines are going to want to vibrate a little bit. But these are my lines coming down. I did do the water pipe here, so the lines are coming down, and now from here I'm going to continue the kitchen all the way over. So guys, keep in mind here that this is exterior wall here, exterior wall over there. So that is why I'm running on the inside here. I thought they were going to do a little box out, but if it's going to be covered up by the cabinetry, this is perfectly fine. At least in my area here, you're not allowed to have water pipe in an exterior wall because of freezing. But guys, that is your quick tip of the week.